Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with one more series of Gd&T certification videos. So there were multiple questions within my network of professionals as well as the colleagues and my YouTube subscribers regarding the Gd&T certification, how to go about it, what is the benefit of it, how to do this preparation, and most of the questions I thought would do a series of video to help all the folks there. So stay tuned for multiple videos related to Gd&T certification. So majorly about me, quickly I'll introduce myself. I'm an engineering graduate in industrial engineering and management from Vishwesvaraya Technological University and India, and I did my tool and die making from NDTF, and then I also did precision engineering in precision machining from ITE Balestier. With I have a 20 plus years of industrial experience in different domains like manufacturing, semiconductor, and aerospace engineering and management. I am also ASME certified in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing professional. You may be wondering why the Gd&T certification, professional certification, need to be done. It will allow you to demonstrate the critical skills and knowledge needed for dimensional engineering. So in that case, GDTP certification plays a very critical role. GDTP certification helps you to demonstrate the skills acquired, and it also helps you to enhance your career potential with GDTP certification. A GDTP certification lets the world know that you have the skills to reduce the costly rework and meet the scheduling commitments while improving the product quality through proper application of Gd&T. So to become a certified, you must know how to select the appropriate geometric characteristic symbols, calculate the tolerances, select the meaningful datum features, use the material condition modifiers, and apply from controls, form controls, orientation controls, location controls. As a certified master of these concepts, others will know that you are able to ensure proper fit function of the parts and assemblies, reduce the error and rework, and enhance the product quality. So now you know why this should be done. So there are two types of certification. One is a GDTP technologist and second one is a GDTP senior. In upcoming videos we will discuss each of these in detail. Hope you enjoyed today's session. You find it informative. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy learning and stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.